SCOTUS reverses lower court on Alabama election maps. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. Throughout the United States, there are redistricting battles going on. The big ruling that changed the game was the Supreme Court's recent ruling in Louisiana that blocked a gerrymandered map that created a second so-called black voting district in Louisiana. The conflict was between the Voting Rights Act and the constitutional right to not have such decisions based on race alone. Nearby, Alabama was going through the same thing, and the legislature declined to continue to use a gerrymandered map that would also create a second black voting district. While it appeared that this would pass muster, then the federal court stopped it not once, but twice. After the Louisiana decision, the judge's prior injunction was struck down. However, joining the slow learner camp, the judge then imposed another injunction to stop the election map approved by the legislature. Normally, cases before SCOTUS take months with briefs, oral arguments, and lots of public review. However, there's something attorneys call the shadow docket. This is when SCOTUS gets some quick feedback from each side and just renders a decision. This is also sometimes referred to as emergency orders. So in this case, SCOTUS quickly rendered a decision from its shadow docket and ruled 6-3 to allow the GOP-preferred map to be used in Alabama, striking down the lower court's second injunction. The High Court's ruling did point out that to come under the protection of the Voting Rights Act, the plaintiff needs to meet a high standard. The decision reminded the parties that the objective is a colorblind society, not one bound up with efforts to favor one group or another. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 on the Brushwood Media Network and YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. I want to mention a special promotion that we're running on our YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. We have passed 1,000 subscribers, and we're now on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And if you're interested, in the comments, tell us if you want Bad Deal for America or you want Decline of America. We will be having a drawing after we pass the number 3,000 in people who have posted that they want to be in the drawing and indicate which book they're interested in, and we'll be sending them that particular book. And we appreciate your listening, and we appreciate your participating at our YouTube channel at Dr. Dave Saves America.